200,000.
Professor Ryan, please decorate that.
Best Yoruba student.
This annual award for the past 6 years. For the past 6 years, during my birthday, we always give this token to 4 brilliant students on our language. Serious, we don't want our language to die. Our language is our life, it's our identity, it's an instrument of cohesion. So, we are using this award to encourage the best students in some institution so that those who did not value our language could think twice, that if you don't promote your language, nobody will promote it for you. Exactly. And if you don't know where you are coming from, you won't know where you are going. Okay.
You
don't have the time, please. Please. Next.
You can do better. Ẹni tí ó tún kàn. Àmì ẹ̀yẹ yìí àti ìgbọ̀wọ́ yìí ó fi yé wa wípé èèyàn tó bá sọ nínú ló ṣàkóyàkọ́ tẹ́nítẹ́ní èkísà ní tààtù. Ní báyìí ẹni tí yóò tún jẹ àǹfààní yìí best indigenous student in Yoruba láti ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga fáfitì tìpínlẹ̀ Èkó, Lagos State University, Department of Linguistics, African Language and Communication. Akinsanya Ganiyat Adedoyin. Akinsanya Ganiyat Adedoyin. Ẹ bá fún ọmọ látẹ̀wọ̀, òun ló mọ ẹ̀kọ́ ìjìnlẹ̀ Yorùbá jùlọ ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga fáfitì ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó, Lagos State University, LASU, Department of Linguistics, African Language and Communication. Ibi àwa náà ti kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ jáde nù, tá náà kọ́ rè. Where is Akinsanya Ganiyat Adedoyin? Please lead her to the podium. Kò ṣe ni mo rí oníṣẹ́ wí. Tó bá kàn lọ́jọ́ mi, èyí tẹ́ fẹ́ gbẹ̀bùn yìí, ẹ̀ bá wọṣọ Yorùbá wá.
Miss Akinsanya Ganiyat Adedoyin.